Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube search history not showing problem. Okay, let's start the video. Follow my all steps to solve your problem. Now first open your YouTube app. Tap on YouTube profile icon. Now tap on settings. Scroll down. Tap on history and privacy. Tap on manage all activity. Now tap on not saving your YouTube history. Tap on turn on. And finally tap on turn on. Now tap on got it. Now back on YouTube home screen. Tap on YouTube search bar. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.